To meet the inspection needs within the new energy industry and enhance inspection efficiency, we have developed a wind turbine inspection simulation training system. This system adheres to the inspection standards of leading wind power companies and features simulation functions for typical wind turbine inspection scenarios, including blades, nacelles, and hubs. The system reproduces wind turbine blades, nacelles, hubs, and other wind turbine tower equipment in high detail. The system includes disassembly and guided teaching steps, and provides clear and systematic inspection training for trainees, with highlighted prompts to help them master the inspection process. It supports the detection of imaging distance, focal length, and angle of photos, and calculates whether the quality of the photos taken is qualified. The system features an integrated dynamic defect library that allows flexible configuration of common defect types. It supports the identification of defects such as gel coat peeling, fiber layer damage, structural damage, etc. Additionally, it enables one-click setup for various typical visible light defect settings for wind turbine inspections. The system is equipped with auxiliary functions, such as obstacle avoidance, laser rangefinding, and EV exposure adjustment. It highly replicates the operation interface of DJI Pilot 2, providing a realistic inspection control experience. After the training is completed, the system supports viewing inspection photos and allows for marking defects. It also supports analysis and recording of core process parameters, such as inspection duration, accuracy of the inspection process, task completion rate, and photo accuracy. Comparative assessment reports and results can be generated based on these analyses. The system has been deployed in multiple new energy companies. It provides customers with a comprehensive solution for wind power inspection training and practice.